Hello everyone, this is Shakat Hussain, and recently I had completed my basic course from English Fantasy. Now I can say I'm a proud student of English Fantasy. Actually, I'm from Munshigons, and scrolling in Facebooks, then I noticed one English learning institutions called English Fantasy. Then I had came here with some of my friends, Jihadus and Siam, and after coming here, I don't have much more expectations. But when the day is just passing on, I just amazed by their environment and the teaching methods. Actually, they have a lot of sessions like outdoor sessions, indoor session, and these kind of sessions helps us students a lot to improve their speaking skills. Besides this, their mentors and the teachers are also friendly. And especially if I have to mention someone, then it will be our Shine sir. He's actually my room mentor, and he actually live under my beds. Actually, he's my bed partner as well as. So I actually was very friendly with him, and he also support us a lot in our academic thing besides our personal thing also. And if I have to just share my experience in 1 hour, then it will be an amazing experience because I was a mama boy from the beginning. I never passed one day without my parents. But after coming here, I don't know how the 2 months have passed on just in this residential house. So it was a great experience, and I would like to say, welcome to English Fantasy. It will help you a lot to improve your English. Thank you.